press briefing. We had the situation in last 24 hours for this state has been quite normal. Yesterday we have conducted 247 tests which have all been found negative. So as of now we have already conducted 4,451 tests. And except the 2 positive cases, everything is negative. So the test that we are conducting as of now is one of the highest in India. The all India average has been till yesterday 422 cases per million. And today it was 470 cases per million in India. Against that, till yesterday we have about 1,051 cases per million.
1,050?
51. We have about 40 lakh, 4 million cases. So 1,050 cases. And today if we take, it's 1,100 plus.
In a million?
In a million means 10 lakh.
Yes.
10 lakh যত এভারেজ করে বাই করা হয় ভারতে 470 আছে আমরা 1000 এর বেশি আছে so that means we are doing quite large number of tests and fortunately and thanks to the good response from all people from Tripura, we are all having negative. So now we are looking forward to how things will unfold from the 3rd May. Today, Honorable PM had meeting with all CMs also. So he had also shared with his vision, where he had said primarily, because CM will give benefit, that though we have been doing very well now, but threat is not over yet. We have more pains to come. Things are not yet controlled. So we have to maintain few social things, social distancing is one, having the mask is another, and we have to behave very prudently and very responsibly if we really want to contain this epidemic capacity. You already know we are corona free. That means last 14 days there have been no cases. Most likely when 3rd the order comes, it will come in 3 zones, red, orange and green. The details we are waiting, but we are expecting that we will be in green. Maybe 2 districts might be in the orange zone, but we hope to cross because the definition of orange is 14 days, nothing comes, it's orange. And if 28 does not come, it's a green. So that by and large is the situation. Pardon?
No, not okay.
Then we have lot of people who are stranded outside Tripura. There was discussions. As of now, Government of India has told us that with the mutual consent of the states, they can come. We are positive on that. People are contacting us. We are requesting the local administration of the other states to let our people come. Yesterday, I think about 167 persons have already come. So we are now taking the proper protocol. We are identifying them, asking them to go for home quarantine, testing for the symptoms. And by today, we would be bringing out the protocol for them. By and large, what we have thought over, it will come, is that those who are coming from the hotspots or red zone, they would be tested and kept for 1 day in the north itself. But right now up to 3rd, they will be coming from Churaibadi itself because rail and flight is not there. So they will be kept for 1 day in north itself. The test would be done. If they are found negative with the stamp marking for 14 days, they will be sent for home quarantine. Those who are coming from non-hotspots, they would be tested for the symptoms. All the symptomatic cases will be sent for the test, and some randomly selected non-symptomatic case will also be tested. So such cases will be followed, will be coming out with the protocol today evening or tomorrow. So by and large, this is for today. Now, If anything you have,
Whether the protocol was followed yesterday.